Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is the Sum by me, Yuja Niacin, Anti-Blemish Serum. It is a multifunctional serum. This serum nourishes and hydrates skin, brightens the appearance of skin tone and texture, brightens dark spots, blemishes, and pigmentations, helps fade the appearance of scarring, revives tired and dull-looking skin. It is a brightening serum which lightens dark spots. A dual functional product, whitening plus anti-wrinkle, revitalizes dull skin and ease off skin stress with 12 types of vitamins. Its lightweight texture lets skin absorb easily and leaves skin without sticky feeling. It contains 10% niacinamide, 83% Yuja, extract 0.5%, A-bisabolol, 83% yuzu. Extract, giving this serum a sweet and subtle citrusy fragrance. However, when applying the serum, the smell doesn't linger for too long. Personally, this is a positive point for the product because it prevents the smell from overpowering my nose. Final thought: skin brightening miracle. This serum absorbs into the skin quickly without a sticky residue. It's made with a mild formula and powerful brightening effect. I use it in the morning after toner, but before any moisturizers or eye creams. The full pump gives way too much product. I stick to half a pump, and I am fine. I gave 4 stars instead of 5, because if you have sensitive skin, it takes a minute to get used to the product. I would start with every other day, and then move on to every day. It caused a bit of irritation and burning at first, but after day 4 it was fine. The serum is suitable for those with pigment spots, sun-induced age spots, acne-prone skin, or in need of moisture and anti-aging benefits. It is proven to relieve pigmentation and post-acne marks through human trials.